We're going to have a look at some desensitization now, or getting them used to noises that they normally would react to. Set this video up on here so we can see you puppies when you're doing what you're doing. Good with puppies, not with filming, hey? Being good? Good boy, thank you. Good girl. Alright, I'll leave that there. So, I'm going to get some other dogs to respond. Good boys and girls, good quiet dogs. Good relax. Thanks Luke, you're helping. I bet your little sister's going to be naughty here. I bet you dollars to donuts. Good boys and girls. Very good. So we've currently got a dog or dogs that are normally dog reactive, that are now in a situation and an environment where there's another dog barking and they're not choosing to participate. Angel, thank you. Can you relax, please? Now you're going to have one more choice. Oh, alright. Well, leave the hose alone or go to Wilson. Now, let's go. Off to Wilson. So good Diesel. Good Turbo. Good boy. Good girl. Good boy. Good Turbo. Good Diesel. Good boy. Good girl. Angel, can you come in here, please? Good Turbo. Good Diesel. Very good. Yeah, come here. Oh, very good. Yeah. Very good. Good boy. Good girl. Good, no barking. Good, no barking. Angel, you still haven't got inside yet. Good, no barking. Good Diesel. Yeah. Good Turbo. Good girl. Oh, good boys and girls. Now, if you look around, there's previously the same sort of food in that area before. Very good. But we've just created interest in that by them. Good boys and girls. Good, no barking. Just the puppy dogs. Just the puppy dogs.